What can this image prompt do? It can turn images into text prompts, which is its simple function. In fact, when using it in Stable Diffusion, its function is to reverse engineer the content within an image and convert it into prompt keywords. Does anyone have any questions about this? Why not just use WDs directly? The reason is simple. At this node, it loads a visual language model. This level of precision in the reverse calculation results will definitely be superior. Of course, such a model would be much larger and may also have certain performance requirements. That project must be an open source project. Just find it and install it directly. This place is actually an official workflow. So I briefly listed them out, and actually what it's trying to convey is that it deduces the result from this image and then compares several different scenarios. Then we will match this prompt with the image one by one. The first one is just text, the second one is text with tags, the third one is only tags, the fourth one is text with tags, then processed through queuing. From my observations before and after, the fourth scenario is actually the best one. After adding text and tags, the system goes through the QN model again. It uses the received text and tag prompts to generate a new image description, limited to 77 words. So these four images all have the same problem. They didn't detect one of the hamsters in them, so actually you can try replacing the model here with another one. So, regarding which model is better, the official does have some recommendations, but I think it's still best to rely on your own practical experience. After installation, this model can be downloaded manually, or you can choose to download it automatically. All the workflows featured in this video come from the official workflow folder. Once you install the plugin, you'll have navigation to RunningHub AI. Or click the link in the description to register and get 12 gigabytes and log in daily to receive 100 points. The corresponding AI workflow and one-click AI applications have been deployed online and can now be run and tested online.